Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta juicy. First, ensure you use plenty of water for cooking, roughly 4 to 6 quarts for every pound of pasta. Next, generously salt your pasta water until it tastes like the ocean. This seasons the pasta from within. Finally, cook your pasta until it is al dente, meaning it still has a slight firmness when bitten. This prevents it from becoming mushy later. Once your pasta is al dente, transfer it directly into your simmering sauce. Finish cooking it there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Crucially, add a half cup to 1 cup of the starchy pasta water to the sauce. This helps emulsify everything, creating a rich, cohesive sauce that clings beautifully to every strand. Stir vigorously to achieve that perfect, creamy consistency. For an extra layer of richness and shine, stir in a tablespoon of butter or a drizzle of good olive oil right at the end. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese is also a game changer, adding incredible depth of flavor and helping to thicken the sauce further. Remember to toss your pasta continuously. This prevents it from sticking together and ensures every piece is perfectly coated in that delicious, juicy sauce. To enjoy your perfectly juicy pasta, serve it immediately in warm bowls to maintain its ideal temperature and texture. Garnish with fresh herbs like basil or parsley for a vibrant pop of color and aroma. And while you're savoring your meal, remember to stay hydrated throughout the day. For a great way to do that, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other fantastic deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.